All right, y'all, stay tuned. We got 3 banging sauces for the summer and springtime cookouts. Y'all don't want to miss 2 savory, 1 sweet. I swear you're going to love them. Right here on the Rolling Grill. Yeah, boy. All right, sauce number 1 is perfect for any kind of summertime, springtime picnic where you got some kids or just grown folks. It's similar to a Zaxby sauce, a Chic Fil A sauce, or your favorite chicken joint's sauce, signature sauce. So let's get right into it. First things first, 1 cup of quality mayo, 1/4 cup of good ketchup. This happens to be a spicy ketchup. Now, third thing, this is like a teaspoon of crushed garlic. If you got garlic powder, use garlic powder. I have crushed garlic. All right. To me, one of the things that sets it off is you gotta have a tablespoon of ranch dressing. Just gives it that Then of course you gotta have some salt and pepper. Then Worcestershire sauce. You gotta have some. About a teaspoon. There you go. And then you just want to mix this together. I have one other secret ingredient that I'm going to add to it, to me, that just takes it over the top. But before I do that, I'm going to mix it together. Now, to me, what takes it over the top, makes it better than Chic Fil A sauce, makes it better than Zaxby sauce, makes it better than Cane sauce. Liquid smoke, folks. Liquid smoke. If you don't believe me, try it. And I'm talking about maybe about 5 dashes of it. The next day, or after it's set for a few minutes or about an hour, takes it to another level. And you're gonna be like, damn, this tastes better than Chick Fil A, Zaxby's, and Cane sauce. And that's it, folks. That's sauce number 1. We got another one coming up. Best sauces for your spring and summertime cookouts and barbecues, y'all. Right here on the Rolling Grill. Yeah, boy. All right, guys. Sauce or condiment number 2. This one right here is my personal favorite. Any kind of grilled meat, chicken, whatever, any kind of grilled meat, this is perfect for it. You gotta have this in your refrigerator for the summer and springtime. It's perfect. We're gonna start off with olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And to start off, since I'm doing it in a Ninja, I'm just gonna put a few dabs, maybe about 2 tablespoons of oil in the bottom. Then parsley. This is a whole head of parsley. I'm dumping it right in there. You can break it up if you want to, but I'm dumping it right in the food processor. Then also cilantro. A lot of times you can add cilantro if you like, or you can just skip the cilantro. I tend to like the cilantro in there. I think the cilantro and the parsley play very well together. I got 4 cloves of garlic and a tablespoon of red pepper flakes right in there. Now, some salt and pepper. I'm not measuring. I'm just throwing them in there. I've done this so many times, I pretty much know how it's gonna come out. Now, smoked paprika. You don't have to add it. I like it in mine. I'm gonna say that's probably about a tablespoon. Now, red wine vinegar, a must. This to me is what sets it all off. All right, for this one, I ain't measuring again, but I'm gonna start off with, I'll say, that's about a 1/4 cup. And then I'm going back on top with some olive oil. We're gonna post this up. All right, guys, let's hit the button. All right, guys, our chimichurri is post up. Let's go ahead and take it out. Thing first, let's take out the blade. And then let's just pour it in here. And that's it. This right here is my signature go-to for a lot of the grilled meats that I cook. It's perfect. That little bit of zip from this red wine vinegar makes it perfect. If you think you need more olive oil, add more olive oil. If you taste it, if you need more salt, add more salt. I like to let it sit, as always, for at least a good hour. Come back, taste it. If I need to add it, I'll adjust it then. Second good sauce. Third one coming up. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, this is our last and final sauce. Perfect for, like I said, the summertime and springtime cookouts. But this is the dessert sauce. This is good for desserts. Any kind of grilled desserts that you want, pineapples, peaches, plums, whatever. This would be perfect on top of that. Even on top of pound cake that you put on the grill. This is perfect. So we're gonna start off with sour cream. And I'm gonna say, let's call that a cup and a half. Let's say 2 cups of sour cream. Second thing, I'm using Mexican vanilla. Use any kind of vanilla you want. I'm not measuring this. It's all by eyeball, but I'm gonna say that's about a little less than a teaspoon. Now, honey. Any kind of honey. This just happens to be clover honey. Honey. Any kind of honey will work. That's probably about 2 tablespoons of honey. All right. Next thing, powdered sugar. Now, this is optional. If honey is sweet enough for you, leave it at that. But I think the powdered sugar adds a little more depth, a little more sweetness that I think works perfect. This is about 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. All right, guys. Now, what's gonna really set this sauce off? Meyer Lemons. If you don't know about Meyer Lemons, it's like a sweeter version of lemons. Really good. You probably can find them right about now. As you see on the bag, it says squeeze on chicken, grated in sauces and cocktails. Meyer Lemons, perfect for this sauce. And again, we're making a sweet Meyer lemon cream sauce, perfect for anything in the summer and springtime. But we would be crazy just to take the juice. Now you gotta grate this, man. So if you got a grater, make sure you grate it on up. You can smell it. It's like a cross between a lemon and an orange. All right, now that we got that grated up, put that to the side. Go ahead and take it. It has a lot of seeds in it. Definitely want to hold it in your hand and just squeeze it through. All right, we got that. We got the lemon squeezed in there. You just want to mix it up. If you got a whisk would work perfect. All right, y'all. We're just gonna take our sauce, put it in a nice little bowl. And it is ready to go. As always, the longer you let it sit, the better it gets. And just to kick it up a notch, take another one of those Meyer Lemons and just get it on top with a little bit of Meyer Lemon. All right, guys, here are 3 sauces. First up the bat, chimichurri. Perfect for the spring and summertime. Excellent on any kind of grilled meats, chicken, beef, pork, doesn't matter. This is one you gotta have in your go-to. Second, it's a play on a remoulade. Put you in the same mind frame as a Chic Fil A dipping sauce, as a cane dipping sauce. Got some kids, excellent dipping sauce for chicken nuggets or chicken tenders. Also great to put on a bun for any kind of sandwich that you may have as well. Thirdly, gotta have a sweet sauce. You gotta have dessert, any kind of grilled fruit or grilled pound cakes or whatever you may have, any kind of pies for the spring and the summer. This sweet Meyer Lemon citrus sauce is a banger. So these are the 3 sauces, y'all. Please put these in your repertoire, and I guarantee you, your guests will love you this spring and summer. I got a second video coming with some more sauces. Y'all stay tuned. As always, good food, good vibes. Yeah, boy.